Cardano is in freefall. Just a week ago, ADA was sitting comfortably at $1.30, and now it's taken a jaw-dropping 21% dive. Is this the beginning of a disastrous slide to $0.70, or are we on the verge of a golden buying opportunity? This isn't just another crypto dip, it's a critical moment for one of the most talked about altcoins. Stick around as we unpack what's happening with Cardano, whether its fate is sealed, and how you can position yourself wisely in this volatile market. Welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, the channel that gives you no-nonsense cryptocurrency insights, breaking down the complexities of the market so you can make informed decisions. If you're passionate about staying ahead in the crypto space, then this is the place for you. In today's episode, we're dissecting the steep decline of Cardano, an altcoin that was once hailed as a future Ethereum killer. Is the drop to $0.70 inevitable? Or could this be the moment that separates the patient investors from the panic sellers? Here's a little teaser for you. What if Cardano's recent plunge isn't the disaster it appears to be? Could this decline pave the way for a massive price surge in the coming months? Stay tuned to the very end because we'll explore expert predictions, technical indicators, and a key strategy that could help you come out on top. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update. Your support helps us keep creating valuable content for the crypto community. Now let's get into it. Let's set the stage. Just a week ago, Cardano was trading at $1.30 and bullish sentiment was at an all-time high. Fast forward to today and ADA is clinging to $1.02 after hitting a low of $0.911. That's a painful 21% drop in just 7 days, with a daily decline of over 12%. This sharp turn of events has sent shockwaves through the crypto community. Cardano had been riding high on a monthly gain of 75.91%, outperforming many of its peers. But as the saying goes, what goes up must come down. The question now is, how much lower can it go? To understand why Cardano is dropping, we need to dig into the sentiment shift. Analyst Ali Martinez has identified $1.20 as a critical support level for ADA. This isn't just a random number, it's a line in the sand where approximately 93,000 wallet addresses are holding over 2.54 billion ADA tokens. When so much capital is concentrated at a specific price point, it creates a psychological barrier. If the price drops below this level, it often triggers panic selling, leading to even steeper declines. According to Martinez, if ADA fails to hold above $1.20, we could see it spiral down to $0.90, and bearish momentum might drag it further to $0.77. But here's where things get interesting. Martinez also notes that Cardano is repeating its 2020 cycle. Back then, ADA dipped before skyrocketing from $0.141 to $1.547 in a matter of months. Or could history repeat itself? If so, this dip could be the calm before a storm that propels Cardano to $4 or even $6. Let's talk about the technical side of things. Cardano's Relative Strength Index, RSI, has dropped significantly, falling from 79 to 53 in just a week. For those unfamiliar, the RSI measures whether an asset is overbought or oversold. An RSI above 70 typically indicates overbought conditions, signaling a potential reversal. Conversely, a drop below 50 suggests increased selling pressure, which is exactly what we're seeing with ADA. But that's not all. There are other key metrics that paint a bearish picture. Cardano's network activity has taken a nosedive. The number of active addresses has dropped from 170,830 to 90,360. This indicates reduced adoption, lower demand, and waning interest among investors, a trifecta of bad news for any cryptocurrency. The network value to transaction ratio, NEMT, is another red flag. ADA's network value to transaction ratio has surged from 11.63 to 54.03. A high network value to transaction ratio means that Cardano's market cap is growing faster than its transaction volume. This is often a sign of overvaluation or reduced real-world utility. According to data from CoinLast, short positions now account for 52% of all trades involving ADA. This indicates that the majority of traders are betting on further price declines. Here's the million-dollar question: should you buy the dip or run for cover? If you're a long-term investor, this might be an opportunity. Cardano's fundamentals are still strong, and its development roadmap remains ambitious. The dip could offer a chance to accumulate ADA at a discount, especially if you believe in its long-term potential. However, short-term traders need to treat carefully. The technical indicators are undeniably bearish, and the market sentiment is stacked against ADA. If you're not prepared for more downside risk, it might be wise to sit this one out. If you're enjoying this analysis, now's the perfect time to hit that like button and subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update. Your engagement helps us continue providing top-notch crypto content. So what should we watch for in the coming weeks? A significant increase in transaction volume could signal renewed interest and adoption. Keep a close eye on this metric. It's one of the best indicators of network health. Watch for large transactions on the blockchain. If whales start accumulating ADA, it could be a sign that the tide is about to turn. Cardano's fate is closely tied to the broader crypto market. If Bitcoin and Ethereum regain momentum, ADA could ride the wave of optimism. Let's revisit Martinez's claim that Cardano is repeating its 2020 cycle. Back then, ADA went through a similar phase of consolidation and decline before embarking on a massive rally. The key takeaway: patience often pays off in the crypto market. Those who bought Cardano during its 2020 dip were rewarded handsomely. Could the same be true in 2024? Only time will tell, but it's a scenario worth considering. Before we continue, a quick reminder: this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and involve significant risk. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor before making any decisions. Cardano's recent decline has undoubtedly shaken investor confidence, but let's not forget that volatility is part of the game. Markets move in cycles, and every dip presents an opportunity for those who are prepared. For short-term traders, the data suggests caution. But for long-term investors, this could be a chance to accumulate ADA at a discounted price. Remember, the crypto market rewards those who stay informed and think strategically. Thank you for watching today's in-depth analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, why stop here? Check out our other videos for insights into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and emerging altcoins that could shape the future of cryptocurrency. Until next time, stay informed, stay strategic, and stay ahead.